What's the meaning of beach ball? Beach ball. Beach ball.
Beach ball. Beach ball. A beach ball is a large, inflatable ball that is typically used for recreational purposes on the beach or in a swimming pool. The ball is usually brightly colored with alternating stripes or patterns, making it easy to spot in the water or on the sand. Beach balls are commonly associated with summertime activities and bring feelings of fun, relaxation, and enjoyment. They can be used for a variety of games and activities such as volleyball, keep-away, or simply tossing the ball back and forth. Beach balls are often a staple item at beach parties, pool parties, or other outdoor gatherings where people come together to have a good time.